I'm Frank, the low-carb cocktail guy. I want to start off today's video by thanking my sponsors, Cool Blue Wine and Vodka. So I kind of want to talk to you really quick about their product, and then we're going to go ahead and make a cocktail with this. Cool Blue Vodka is a blueberry vodka. They're made down here in the south here in Mississippi, in Poplarville, if I'm not mistaken, from Thornhill Farms, I believe so, yep. Thornhill Farms. They grow organic blueberries, and this is certified organic. What I like about this is, first I'm gonna say what I don't like about this, is I don't like that it says flavored vodka. When I think of flavored vodka as doing low carb drinks like that, when I think flavored vodka, I think added sugars or added something that doesn't make it a clean, or what I consider a clean vodka. For me, a clean vodka is a vodka that's 40% ABV. That means there's nothing added, because usually vodka is 40% alcohol by volume or 80 proof. So what happens is, a lot of people you'll find flavored spirits and things like that are about 35. You'll see some flavored vodkas. I don't want to mention any brands, but there are other flavored vodkas out there that are 30 to 35% ABV, which means there's 5 or to 10% of something else other than vodka. And I'm not into that. So with Cool Blue, they are 40% ABV or 80 proof. So what they do is they take a neutral grain vodka and then they infuse it with blueberries, then they distill it a second time. So you have a clean, pure vodka that comes out 40% ABV or 80 proof. Now, for this vodka, you definitely get some notes of blueberry, but what I really enjoy about this vodka is it's not like that blueberry candy that you get with some other flavored vodkas. It smells like fresh blueberries. And that's what's really cool about this. You can do a cocktail with this and you don't get that artificial sweetener kind of taste to it or that artificial blueberry flavor. This is a very clean, very tasty blueberry flavor on their vodka. What I said earlier about calling it flavored, I would consider this infused more than I would flavored. And I don't know what the legalities are, they have to call it flavored or whatever it is, but personally, I would not call this a flavored vodka, I would call this an infused vodka. It speaks to me of what it truly is, and it's not artificially flavored. So this is a cocktail I call the Vaccinium Mule. So we're gonna go ahead and do a spin on a mule using Cool Blue Vodka. So first what you're gonna need is some mixing tins. Now usually you don't shake a mule and you roll some of this, but we're gonna kind of go over why. So we're gonna start off with 2 ounces of Cool Blue Vodka. And next we're gonna be adding some orange juice, and this is why you wanna shake. Whenever you're doing spirit and some type of citrus juice, you wanna shake those ingredients together to incorporate them really, really well. So we're gonna go with 1 3/4 ounce of a light orange juice, Trop 50. I'm using Simply Light. And with Simply Light, this is gonna have just under 2 1/4 grams of carbs, like 2.73 carbs per the 1.75 ounces. So under 3 grams of carbs with this. So we're gonna add 1 3/4 ounce. So that's 1 3/4. And next we're gonna be adding 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, which is gonna have 2 grams of carbs. So 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. And exactly 1 ounce. On average, 1 lime usually produces 1 ounce of juice. Same thing with lemons. We're gonna go 1 ounce of that. So next we're gonna add some ice and shake this really quick. Put this all together. So incorporate those citrus juices in that vodka. So next we do is we're gonna go ahead and dump this into a mule mug. We'll top this off with some fresh ice. I'm gonna add 4 ounces of ginger beer. Now you could top it. If you're using the same mug every single time, you're okay with topping. The problem is one day you might use this, one day you might use a rocks glass, you might use a double old fashioned, and by topping with your sodas or whatever it is you're putting on top, you're gonna have an inconsistent cocktail. So like if I have a bigger Moscow Mule mug than this, you know, topping might be 5 ounces of ginger beer. This one might be 2, might be 3, might be 4. So you're not getting the same consistent flavor in your cocktail. So try to measure out your ginger beer whenever you're doing a Mule. So now let's go ahead, 4 ounces of ginger beer, 2 and 4. There we go. And we're gonna garnish this with a handful of fresh organic blueberries. All right, let's see how this tastes. And the liquid displacement theory with the blueberries made a little spill out, but that's okay. Wow, that little pop of orange juice really, really settles nice with this. The lime juice is down a little bit, but you still get some of that blueberry coming through. Like I said, it's not gonna be that overpowering candy blueberry flavor. You can taste that fresh blueberries blended with the orange and just a touch of that little sourness from the lime. This is a great summer cocktail. I suggest you try this. So once again, I want to thank my sponsors, Cool Blue Vodka, for making a wonderful product and allowing me this opportunity to be part of their growth. All right guys, as always, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day. Because when I'm finished this one, oh, and I have another Cool Blue video coming out soon, I'll be having a good day too. See y'all later.